Hi everybody, it's Thomas here from Thomas Fitzgerald Photography, and welcome to another episode of Street Photo Diary. So for this episode I'm going to be doing something a little different, and I'm going to be using a old camera, which is my first generation Canon EOS 5. So the original full-frame Canon EOS 5 was one of the first full-frame digital cameras to the market. It's about, I'm not sure, I think it's about 10-15 years old now, and so we're going to be shooting some street photography with this, just to show you that you don't need a modern camera to shoot good street photography. So when you're shooting street photography, it doesn't always have to be shooting people, or, you know, kind of also keep an eye out for kind of interesting things you might see around the place, like interesting doors, textures and colours and things like that. I know that's probably not kind of the traditional thing to do, but it's kind of some of the things I like to do. So here's something interesting. It's actually pretty quiet around here today, so what I'm basically doing now is I'm just kind of looking for anything interesting that I see. So it's always kind of best to be just kind of on the lookout, because you never know what you might see, whether it's like, I don't know, an interesting car, some kind of funky sign, or yeah, just basically on the lookout. Where I am now is in the Georgian area of Dublin, and it's kind of one of the more famous areas and more picturesque areas, because you've got these beautiful old Georgian buildings, and the doorways here are kind of famous. You often see them on calendars and postcards and stuff. So you can see it there behind me. Where I am now is mostly offices and stuff, and there's kind of hotels and stuff around here as well. There are some apartments and flats, but it's mostly offices and generally workplaces. This is kind of interesting here. We've got this funky building going on with this kind of weird looking window, so let's see if we can get a good interesting picture of this. The light's not great today, so I'm not sure how good much of this is going to come out, but we'll give it our best shot. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I think we got some good shots. I hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next episode of Street Photo Diary. Thanks for watching. See you next time.